Welcome to 7th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, we are going to discuss probability approach. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed problem on sensitivity analysis. Now let us discuss probability approach concepts. The risk associated with an asset can be measured more accurately by the use of probability distribution than other analysis. The probability of an event represents the chance of its occurrence. For example, if the chance of an event taking place is 3 out of 5, it can be said to have 60% or 0.6 probability. The expected rate of return for any asset is the weighted average of all possible return multiplied by their respective probability. Probability approach problem. Advise the acceptability of the project with the help of probability approach. Assume 10% cost of capital and original investment of 2 lakhs. Year 1, 2, 3 cash flow and probability is given. Solution. Years cash flows probability PV factor at 10%, expected cash flow. First year 3 lakhs is multiplied with 0.3 and multiplied with 0.909 will give you 81,810. Second year 2 lakhs multiplied with 0.6 and multiplied with 0.826 will give you 99,120. Third year 1,20,000 multiplied with 0.5 multiplied with 0.751 will give you 45,060. Expected net cash flow is 2,25,990. From that, minus original investment 2 lakhs. Net present value will be 25,990. Conclusion. The net present value of the project is positive. Hence, the project is said to be accepted. Thank you. Have a nice day.